We're getting a new electric gate opener put on our gate, and they had to put in a new rail on the bottom with stainless steel, and we're actually getting a new gate made as well, and it'll be coming in a week or 10 days. And they added this extra piece here to keep the gate from falling over. So I'm not sure exactly what they're going to do underneath, where you see they had to raise it to level, raise this in to level it, but it rolls very easy now. So the other thing, they're going to tear out this section of the wall right here and put a walking man gate in here. So we'll see how it turns out when they're done. I'll update it whenever they come with the rest of this stuff. Okay, they're adding the cement now to stiffen up and conceal all the stainless steel rail. It'll make it a lot stronger now. Okay, the concrete work is finished now. Now they're getting ready to install the electric motor. And this is all going to be temporary. In a week or so, they're going to come back with the new gate and install it, and then redo the electrical and everything. They had to install the base on the concrete. They're getting ready to start mounting the little screw deals on the gate. The tracks, I don't know what you call them. These things. They're getting them put on there now. Okay, the test run worked. It went forward and backward. They're adjusting now. They had to fix electrical wiring in the house because it wasn't completed in the junction box. Make sure the stop works. Oh yeah, good. I'll repeat one more time. This is just temporary. So the wiring and stuff is going to look better than this whenever they're done. The old gate going away. The new gate is sitting across the road. They're getting ready to put it in the opening. Hope it fits. Starting the hole cut to put the new man gate in. It will be at the same height as that rolling gate. The gate there. The wall is built very well. It's hard for them to break it open. They've been at it a while. Well, they got the hole broken through completely now. Now they're going to clean up things. Installing the hinge plates on now. Okay, they got the new walking man gate put in today. They have some concrete work still to do to finish out the wall. But all in all, it looks pretty good. Still have to do the electrical for the motor, but it's all done except for that. It looks like the gate is working on its own now with the electric opener. They're pulling it by hand now for some reason. Oh, they're adjusting the little gear things on the gate because it has adjustments that can go up and down just slightly to make sure it's not over tightening on the gear on the motor. And the cement work is being finished on the man gate today as well. I had to stand up, I was sitting in the easy chair. So the only thing that'll be left to do out here will be to paint. And I told them I would paint it myself. They don't have to deal with that. So it looks nice. It's very nice. He's done a really good job. They added a breaker here that'll also be on-off switch. And it runs overhead to the last post down there, then it comes down. Pardon the mess. This is from them breaking out the wall, and obviously the conduit's got to be on top of the cement for now. At a later date, we're going to do something with the whole drive area, and then we'll put everything underground. So they were adjusting the stops, so they stop in the right spots. Listen how quiet and how smooth it runs. And it's a beautiful gate. Beautiful gate.
Very nice gate. From who? Changchon. This Changchon. Yay.
Yeah, it hits perfectly where before down we can lock it.
ทีมงานช่างชนนะคะบริการ ทุกระดับประทับใจราคาย่อมเยาค่ะ ช่างชนนั่งอยู่ตรงนี้นะคะ
They have the new walking gate.
อ๋อโอเคฮะ
Right now they just finished doing the cement work,
yeah
so it's beautiful. Just need to finish the paint.
โอ้สุดยอดเลยเนี่ยช่างชนนั่งตรงนี้ค่ะ
I know it's not good looking into the sun, but the cloud hopefully is helping some. But this is showing the completion of Chongchon's work. So it's making our house look beautiful now. I'm really happy. I'm happy with his work, very pleased. Very professional group. So we hope you enjoy this content, and we can leave our contractors' contact information in the description. This is Bobby and Drive. It's time to get going. We're out.